The idea for today is to go and gather up some material around town, take it to a parking garage, set it up, skate it. I'm gonna try to find wood, bricks, metal, anything skatable. I'm gonna try to set it up so that I can skate it. It's pouring. I'm pretty stoked to try to make something happen though. That sounds fun. Get some coffee going before I dip. We're gonna fucking drive around town, find as much stuff as we possibly can. I got my drill, I got some screws. We're gonna try to make some ramps. Yeah, dude. I'm actually pretty stoked. Been wanting to do this all week. I knew it was gonna rain today. I almost have everything that I need. I've been in this situation before where all I need is some cinder blocks, and I don't want to buy them. Every time I go trying to find some cinder blocks, it's like they don't exist. I got everything I need, so I'm gonna head to the nearest parking garage and build some shit. I'm really just gonna build a kicker, unless some other ideas spark, but I'm pretty hyped. So the goal is to botch this shit as hard as possible. I won't be surprised if it breaks when I'm skating it, but we're gonna find out. See? I'm short on some wood. I don't really care. It looks fun as shit. I did the best with what I had. And I'm fucking hyped to skate it. As terrible as this thing looks, and as it probably is, look at that. I'm about to shred this thing. Dude. This kicker's fucking sick. I'm right back where I started off at the crib. I was done skating after I skated my truck. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm gonna chill for a little bit, have some food. I'm gonna go bowling in a little bit. Hopefully I can insert a strike right here. If you liked this video, just fucking let me know, dude. Peace. Cheers.